as you can see, this is the reason that caused the climate change and the greenhouse effect. Because the cars emit million tons of carbon dioxide. This gas can keep the temperature warmer and slow its cool down. Hi everyone. Today I want to show what the reasons cause the greenhouse and cause the climate.
The climate change in the island of Maldives, like how the climate change, the sea level is rising, which is make the island sinking. How do you think that affect the tourism? And then the third one is, how do you think there's any way to slow down the climate change? That's all we need to ask.
Oh, okay. Well, then that's okay. What's your first question again? Go ahead.
Okay. Do you want to requirements? Okay. So the first question is, this one is on the internet, and if the climate change is unavoidable, could we not adapt it into it? Like the climate change, like it's unavoidable.
So you're saying if we think climate change is unavoidable, can we adapt to it?
Yes.
At some level, we can.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean certain things, but if, for example, the sea level rises and covers an island, then no one's going to go there.
Okay.
But certainly we adapt to it in terms of when people go places. If they don't go when it's really, really hot. For example, the last several summers in Europe have been very hot.
Right.
And they're not used to that, so they don't have the air conditioning, so people tend to go in the spring and fall instead.
Okay. Thank you.
So there's one adaptation.
Okay, that's a really good answer. Thank you. So how do you think, like for example, the island of Maldives, the sea level keep rising, so they predict that for the next 20 years, the island gonna sink down, so the island will be like disappear, you know? How do you think it affect the tourism on that?
Well, it would have a big effect.
Yes.
If you have a hotel on that island and the island's covered with water, you just lost your investment.
Right, thank you. And do you think there's any way to slow down the climate change?
I think there are a lot of ways we can slow down climate change, but it takes a will. People will have to want to do it because it costs money. People have to make choices that are better for the planet. And companies have to as well.
Okay. So like you're doing the tourism for the outbound, right?
Right, we do outbound tourism.
So based on your experience, you think where is the most destination that like the most of travelers book to?
Oh, that's an impossible question to answer. I book wherever people want to go.
Okay.
So if you come in and you want to go to Las Vegas, I'll book your trip to Las Vegas. If you want to go to the Maldive Islands, I can send you there.
Oh,
if you want
nice.
to go to South America, I can do that. If you want to go to Europe, I can do that. If you want to go to Asia, I do that.
Oh, nice.
So I specialize in doing individual travel for people and families.
Okay.
But I have some favorite destinations, but I don't specialize in any one destination.
Okay. Thanks you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.